Hello everyone, dear viewers, and welcome to our channel dedicated to financial management and money-saving tips. Today, we will reveal an effective method for identifying areas where you can save money and significantly boost your savings. This method will help you discover unique tips and strategies to take control of your expenses and improve your financial situation. Imagine finally getting rid of unnecessary expenses that weigh down your budget every month. Imagine having the key to identify those little details that slip by and unknowingly drain your money. Our detailed approach will unveil all the steps to regain control of your finances and allow you to achieve your wildest financial dreams. You will be surprised to see how small changes in your purchasing habits can have a huge impact on your wallet. We will show you how to identify impulsive purchases and eliminate them from your daily life to save substantial amounts of money. By following this method step by step, you can finally create a realistic and achievable budget while effectively saving for your future projects. So, if you're ready to discover this money-saving method and achieve your financial goals, stay with us until the end of this video. You won't regret it. Let's get started and prepare to revolutionize your financial management and make abundant savings. Here we go. 1. Analyze your bank statements and bills. When analyzing your bank statements, examine all transactions in detail to understand where your money goes. Identify frequent purchases as well as significant one-time expenses. This will help you better understand your consumption habits. Use financial management apps or spreadsheets to automatically categorize your expenses. This will provide you with a more accurate overview and generate charts or diagrams to visualize your spending by category. Look for recurring fees or automatic payments for services you no longer use or can do without. Cancel unnecessary subscriptions to save money. 2. Categorize your expenses. Once you have grouped your expenses into categories, analyze each category to see spending trends over time. Identify months when your expenses are higher and find reasons for these spending spikes. Compare your current expenses with those from previous months or the previous year to see if you've managed to reduce certain spending categories or if there are areas where additional savings can be made. Prioritize the expense categories that represent the largest part of your budget and focus on those where significant adjustments can be made. 3. Spot impulsive purchases. Be aware of situations where you are more likely to make impulsive purchases. Is it when you're online, when you're bored, or when you're stressed? To prevent impulsive purchases, implement strategies like preparing a pre-established shopping list before going shopping or disabling the storage of your credit card information online. Practice discipline by giving yourself a reflection period, and if the purchase is not a necessity, step away from the object of your temptation. Evaluate your subscriptions. Make a detailed list of all your subscriptions, including streaming services, apps, fitness clubs, magazine subscriptions, subscription boxes, etc. Take the time to examine the benefits of each subscription and compare them with their costs. Ask yourself, does this subscription genuinely add value to my life? Don't hesitate to negotiate with providers to get discounts or special rates. You'd be surprised how many providers are willing to offer better deals to retain their customers. Reduce frequent restaurant outings. Set a monthly or weekly budget for restaurant outings and stick to it strictly. Experiment with cooking at home by searching for recipes and preparing dishes similar to those you could enjoy at a restaurant. Take advantage of discounts, special offers, or loyalty programs offered by restaurants you frequent to save money during your outings. 6. Seek less expensive alternatives. Save on groceries by planning your meals in advance, making a shopping list, and avoiding impulsive purchases at the supermarket. Compare prices of different products and brands, and be willing to try store brands that often offer quality products at a lower cost. Opt for free or low-cost leisure activities such as parks, hikes, picnics, free museum visits, or local cultural events. 7. Create a realistic budget. When setting up your budget, make sure to consider all your expenses, including unexpected expenses and annual or semi-annual costs such as taxes or insurance. Divide your budget into essential categories: food, housing, bills, and discretionary categories, entertainment, leisure, to better manage your expenses. Set aside money each month for significant planned expenses, such as vacations or Christmas gifts, to avoid being caught off guard. 8. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account as soon as you receive your salary. This will allow you to set money aside before being tempted to spend it. Opt for a high-interest savings account to grow your savings over time. Set realistic and specific savings goals, such as building an emergency fund equivalent to 3 to 6 months of expenses, saving for a significant purchase, or planning for retirement. 9. Look for investment opportunities. Before starting to invest, ensure you have a sufficient emergency fund to handle any unforeseen emergencies. Research different investment options, such as stocks, bonds, index funds, or retirement accounts, and choose the one that best aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Consult a financial advisor for personalized advice and to develop an investment strategy based on your financial profile. By applying these strategies thoroughly and adapting them to your personal situation, you will be better able to manage your finances, save more, and work toward your goals. 10 bonus, other unnecessary expenses to watch out for. Excessive banking fees. Check your bank account fees, such as account maintenance fees, fees for withdrawing from ATMs of other banks, overdraft fees, etc. Opt for a bank that offers free services or reduced fees. Unnecessary insurance. Review your insurance policies, including home insurance, car insurance, life insurance, etc. Make sure you're not paying for coverage you don't need or that overlaps with other policies. Paying off high-interest debts. If you have debts with high interest rates, such as credit card debts, prioritize paying them off to avoid paying extra interest. Impulsive technology purchases. Avoid buying the latest gadgets as soon as they're released. Wait a few months for prices to drop or take advantage of promotional offers. High-end brands for non-essential items. Some high-end brands may be appealing, but you can often find quality alternatives at lower prices. ATM and currency conversion fees. Try to withdraw cash only from your bank's ATMs to avoid additional charges. When traveling abroad, use credit cards with no currency conversion fees. Subscriptions to seldom-read magazines or newspapers. Reevaluate your subscriptions to print publications if you don't read them regularly. Opt for cheaper digital versions or find free alternatives online. Buying duplicate items. Before purchasing a new item, check if you already have a similar one. Avoid redundant purchases. Frequent cinema outings. Movie tickets, drinks, and snacks can add up quickly. Opt for morning screenings, prepaid cinema cards, or streaming services to save money. Delivery fees. If you frequently shop online, choose free delivery options or combine your purchases to reach the minimum purchase amount for free delivery. Expensive household products. Expensive cleaning products can be replaced with more affordable and equally effective homemade alternatives. Spending on gaming apps or in-app purchases. Limit your spending on mobile games and in-app purchases to avoid overspending. In conclusion, we hope this video has been useful and inspiring in your quest to improve your financial management and make significant savings. By using this detailed and effective method, you now have the keys to identify areas where you can save money and make positive changes in your spending habits. Remember that saving is an ongoing process, and it's normal to make adjustments along the way. Be persistent and always keep your savings goals in mind. Every little effort counts and brings you closer to achieving your long-term financial dreams. We encourage you to share your experiences and tips in the comments below. If you liked this video and want to see more on financial management and saving money, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on future content. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, by using this realistic method and applying the tips presented, you have the potential to transform your financial situation and reach your life goals. So, it's up to you. Take control of your finances, save smartly, and create a strong financial future. See you soon for more videos. Happy financial management to all.